Hi, welcome online classes. Myself, Mr. Bhausaib Dabhade, your geography teacher. Student, today we learn chapter number 1, Movements of the Earth. Before that, we learn some important geographical concept. Look at the picture. This image is solar system image. Solar system means Suryamala. What is meaning by solar system? The sun and the 8 planets together from the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. Okay. Our planet name is, did you know? Earth. Earth is our planet, and Earth is also called blue planet because it has a lot of water and appears blue. Human being, wild animal, plants, atmosphere, these are all the favorable condition located on the earth. So earth is a very good and suitable planet of the development of human being. Understood? Earth is a third number planet of solar system. Correct? And one more important thing, each and every planet move around the sun on their fixed path. हर एक planet rotate होता है अपने एक एक ट्रैक से. Next, globe. Globe is very important role on the earth because each and every concept understood on this globe. Globe is also called the three-dimensional picture of the earth surface. Our earth size and shape is a spherical shape. Our earth shape is a spherical shape or geoid shape. Correct? Our earth is divided in four important hemisphere, four important part: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Okay. One more important concept, day and night concept. Last lecture we learn about the movement of the earth. What is the exact day and night concept? Once again repeat. Earth rotate. Earth rotate on their own axis. Same thing, sun is a stationary object in the sky. sun एक जगह पे है and earth rotate होती है. At that time the rotation 50% part of the earth face on the sun and opposite 50% part, remaining part is dark part. So the 50% part of the earth face on the sun side, it is called as day. Okay, the side of the earth which face the sun, this is called day, and other side of the earth which is away from the sun, it is dark, this is called night. So this is important concept, day and night. जो साइड अर्थ की सन के बाजू में है उनको बोला जाता है डे, और जो अपोजिट साइड में उनको बोला जाता है नाइट. सपोज दिस इज अ सन, solar radiation come from this half part, so this half part it is called as day, and remaining back dark side it is called as night. Understood? Next point, movements of the earth. In this lesson we will learn two important movement. Number one is rotation and another is revolution. Concept orbit. Each planet moves around the sun in fixed path. It is called as the orbit. Totally 8 planet मूव अराउंड द सन. सन एक जगह पे है, पूरे के पूरे जो 8 planet है वो 8 planet क्या होते हैं, मूव करते हैं सन को अपने फिक्स ट्रैक से. इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ऑर्बिट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एक्सिस. द अर्थ स्पिन्स अबाउट एन इमेजिनरी लाइन्स that pass through the center. Earth spin on their imaginary axis, imaginary line. It is called as axis. This axis center of the earth surface. Understood? Next point, pole. North pole and south pole. There is a two important pole on the globe. The uppermost part on the earth axis point, it is called as north pole, and lowermost point joined from this axis, it is called as south pole. The earth spin on its axis and earth spin on their own axis. It is called as rotation. Understood? Today we discuss second point, revolution. हमने अभी तक क्या देखा? रोटेशन. रोटेशन मीन्स the earth spin on their own axis. It is called as rotation. But now, what is meaning by revolution? The earth also move around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution. The earth also move around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution. हमारे अर्थ को दो टाइप्स की गति है, करेक्ट. वन इज रोटेशन. रोटेशन मीन द अर्थ स्पिन ऑन देयर ओन एक्सिस. It is called as rotation. Rotation is a different concept. And revolution means the earth move around the sun. This movement is called the revolution. सन एक जगह पे है. सन इज अ स्टेशनरी ऑब्जेक्ट, परमानेंट ऑब्जेक्ट. ये सन को अर्थ क्या करती है? राउंड कंप्लीट करती है. द अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन. इट इज कॉल्ड एज revolution. Understood? The earth complete one revolution around the sun in 365 quarter days or 1 year. हमारे अर्थ का एक रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए कितने दिन लगते हैं? एक साल, 365 डेज. और रोटेशन कंप्लीट करने के लिए ओनली 24 आवर्स. मतलब एक दिन में जो होता है अर्थ का वो है रोटेशन, और पूरे एक साल में जो कंप्लीट होता है चक्कर उनको बोला जाता है रिवोल्यूशन. वंस अगेन, revolution, the earth also move around the sun. This movement of the earth is called revolution. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days or 1 year. As the earth revolves the northern and the southern hemisphere, earth divided into equal part. Okay, it is called as northern and southern hemisphere. But what is meaning by hemisphere? Any circle draw around the earth, divided it into two equal halves called hemisphere. There are generally considered to be four hemisphere: northern, southern, eastern and western. The equator or lines of 0 degree latitude divide the earth into the northern and southern hemisphere. Equator is a 0 degree latitude and equator is a passes center of the earth's surface. They divided two equal same part. It is called as hemisphere. The uppermost part, it is called as northern hemisphere, and the southernmost part, it is called as southern hemisphere. Upper part it is called as northern hemisphere and lower part it is called as southern hemisphere. Look at this red line means equator. Equator to uppermost part it is called as northern hemisphere and lowermost part it is called as southern hemisphere. Earth are exposed to the varying degrees of the sun rays at the different times. The solar radiation on the earth's surface is different times in different ways. Equator, there is a shortest wavelength on the earth surface. इक्वेटर पे ज़्यादा सोलर रेडिएशन आते हैं, तो इक्वेटर पे क्या है? टेम्परेचर ज़्यादा है. All the earth divided in three important climatic seasons or climatic zones. Okay, so this is a hemisphere, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Equator is a center on the globe and equator is divided by two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Same thing, prime meridian, 0 degree prime meridian is divided from two equal part. One is the eastern hemisphere and another is western hemisphere. There is a two part. Prime meridian is divided two part, east and west. Correct. Equator is divided in two important part, two important hemisphere. One is northern hemisphere and another is southern hemisphere. Understood? So student, today we discuss about the important part of the movement of the earth. First concept is rotation. We already learned, but today we discuss revolution. Revolution means the earth move around the sun. It is called as revolution. Understood? Remaining part on this chapter, for example, revolution of the earth causes season. Revolution की वजह से season. This concept we will understood in next online lecture. Okay, dear student, thank you. Take care.